Welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming in My Way. Today we are going to see alert dialog in Android. So you know that the dialogues are very important to prompt the user about a particular action. That means unless and until user is taking some action, he can't go ahead. So you may see this dialogues whenever you are uninstalling any Android application from your mobile phone. Then it is asking or it is showing you dialog, that is, do you want to uninstall that application, or do you want to confirm that uninstallation task. So it is asking you yes, no, or cancel. So that is nothing but the example of Android alert dialog. So such dialogues, alert dialogues, we are going to create with the help of demonstration. So let us start. So what I have done, I have created a new application alert dialog demo, and I will take one button on this activity. So I have taken empty activity, and on this activity I will take one button, and whenever user will tap on this button, then will show alert dialog to the user. So this is button, so I will just give text to this button as show. Now create the button object. Create the button object, set the id to button. I'm setting button underscore show as id. Now retrieve the id in this main activity.java file by using find view by id method. So r dot id dot button. So this will give you the access of that button in this Java file. So this button underscore show means your actually that show button. Now set the listener, set on click listener. You know that the on click listener is for the on click listener is the listener for button. So set that by using new, then press Control spacebar. It will show you the suggestion. So see, this is your source button. Then on click listener is the listener. You know that listener is one of the interface, and on click is the handler. So whenever user will tap on that button, this on click method will be called. So here we are going to add the logic of alert dialog. So see, there are three things you should remember while creating alert dialog. So first thing is you need to design the alert dialog. Okay, first thing is designing of alert dialog. Next thing is creating the alert dialog, and third thing is you need to show that alert dialog. So for designing the alert dialog, we are using alert dialog.builder class. So just create the object of that alert dialog dot builder class we are using. So I'm creating the object of alert dialog.builder, and just pass the context. Just pass the context to this constructor. Okay. So this alert dialog.builder class is responsible to design the alert dialog. Now you that see, I will explain the alert dialog. So see, alert dialog will look like this. It is a window like this. Then there will be icon. Then there will be some title. So see, this will be the content of alert dialog. So see, this will be icon, this will be title, this will be content, and then there are three buttons over here. Like this, there will be three buttons. This is icon, title, the message, and these three are buttons. But see, these three buttons, this right side button is a positive button. It is called as positive button. Then middle button is called as negative button. And left side button is called as neutral button. So like this alert dialog we are going to design. So our alert dialog will have the icon, title, then message and three buttons: positive, negative and neutral button. So you may be see the alert dialog. That means, are you are you going for marriage? And then you are getting the three buttons. Yes, so yes is positive button, no that is negative button, and maybe or can't say, so that is neutral button. So such alert dialog we are going to create. So we have created the object of alert dialog.builder, and now the first thing is we need to set the icon. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to retrieve the icon from vector asset. So how to get the vector asset? Vector asset is a something which gives you inbuilt icons. So just right click on resource, new, then vector asset. Right click on resource, then new, and then vector asset, and now click on clip art. So it will display the available icons, inbuilt icons to you. It will display the available icons to you. So I'm going to select the close icon. So see, these are the icons. So I am going to take the close icon. So see, this icon I'm going to take close. So click on OK, next, and then finish. So this icon will be added in drawable folder. So see, this is the icon. This file have been created there. So set the icon by using builder dot alert builder dot. So create icon. So alert builder dot set icon method is there. So set icon and then give the path. So where icon is present in drawable folder. So r dot drawable dot, it is saying it is giving the suggestion, that is the icon name. So here you have set the icon. Now next thing is, see, you need to set the title. Set the title. So again, builder dot set title and give the title. So I'm giving the close app. I'm giving the close app as title. Next thing is, you need to set the description. So alert builder dot set message description, detailed message. So I'm mentioning the, are you sure to close app? Okay, so we have given this message. Now three button: positive, negative and neutral. So see, create the positive button by using the set positive method. Then first argument will be the button text. So I'm giving S. Now as this is a button, so there will be action, there will be click action user can perform. So you need to set the listener for that. So new, and see, I'm pressing the control space bar. So on click listener is there. So as there is event handling required for this positive button, so you need to add the event handling code. So whenever user will click on that yes positive button, then on click method will be called. Now here you can add the logic. So whenever user will click on yes button, then I will simply display the toast dot make text, then get application context. I am simply mentioning the text, then duration dot show, and after displaying toast I am simply cancelling that dialog. So just dialog dot cancel method is there. So this is for positive button. Notice for negative button, so a builder dot set negative button, give the text no, set the listener, so new, on click listener, click this, and here I am not going to show anything, simply that means I have decided that I am not going to close this app, so simply cancel the dialog. That means I'm not going to close the app. And third thing is neutral button. So a builder dot set neutral button and set the text. So can't, or you can also mention maybe. Set the listener. So here again I am mentioning dialog cancel. So I'm not going, I can't decide right now, or maybe, so that's why I simply cancel the dialog. Now see here, designing part is completed. That means you have designed the alert dialog like this. You added the icon, title, then message, positive, negative and neutral button. Now what you need to do, you need to create the alert dialog. So see, a builder dot create method you need to call. So this method will give you the alert dialog object. Now see, we have designed the alert dialog by using alert dialog dot builder. Now we are creating alert dialog by calling create method. So this will give you alert dialog. This is actually your alert dialog, and now you need to show this alert dialog. So alert dialog dot show, this is what your alert dialog. So now you need to run this. So simply run this application. I'm running this application on my mobile phone. So simply run this application, you can get the output. So see, application is running over here. This is my mobile phone. I have mirrored my mobile phone. So see this output. So my application got launched. Now there is a show button, so click on the show button. So this will show you the alert dialog. So see, this is icon, this is title, this is message, this is positive button, this is negative, this is neutral. If you click on this positive button, see toast is displayed, dialog will be cancelled. If you click on no button, simply dialog will be cancelled. If you click on this maybe, then dialog will be cancelled. So like this you can customize this alert dialog as per your requirement. So this is the simple alert dialog. So if you like my demonstration, then please like, comment and share to my subscribe channel, share to my YouTube channel Programming in My Way.